Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw a line in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now scroll down, here you will find this comment option, select here. Now select this drawing arrow and here you will find this line option and click on this line tool and simply drag your mouse cursor and draw your line and see this. Now you can move this line point and see this. Also you can decrease this line point if you want and see this, and also here you can change line thickness and click this gear icon. Here you can change line color, see this thickness. Also you can change line opacity and so on, and again select here and select line, red line. Also here you can change line color and say select here border color and see this, and again select this line option and draw a line. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.